how to install Docker desktop on Windows machine over WSL. Okay, so what you need to do first you need to enable the features from the command prompt, right? So you need to enable the features. Go to the uninstall program, turn on the features. You need to enable two features, one of the virtual machine and one of the WSL, because we are going to install Docker over WSL. So for this one it's require virtual machine platform, so the machine will be assigned the virtual machine, right? Okay, so in my case already enables. If you are not enabled, just enable and click OK, so the application will be the features will be enabled and the system will be asked to restart. So you need to restart it, then come back. Okay, now again the next step, you need to install Ubuntu from the Microsoft Store. Type here Ubuntu. So you can install the latest version 24.0.1 0.04.1 LTS. Okay, let me install. I think in my case it's already installed. Yeah, it's already installed. You can directly install it. Okay, so once it install, so you need to install WSL in your machine. So go to the browser. Okay, now type here download WSL2. Go to the first link. Okay, the manual install step and download Linux kernel update package. So this one the package you can directly download and install. I have already downloaded, so I will install. Otherwise you can run this command in your command prompt, so it will also install. So in my case I have already downloaded, so let me go to the download section. It is already downloaded, so let me install the WSL2 in my machine. Okay, all right, it is installed. Let me update it. So wsl.exe -update. So it will be update because I installed the older version, WSL older version, so it will be update the newer version of the WSL2. Okay, once it is installed, I will open the Ubuntu whatever I install from the Microsoft Store. It will quickly update. Let's wait. If we will try to enable the Docker in WSL with the older version WSL2, it will be give the error. So that's why we require to update it. I think it's update. Let's wait few more seconds. Okay, let's try to open Ubuntu. Yeah, it's update. So okay, go to the Microsoft Store. The Ubuntu is already installed. Just try to open it. So once we will open the Ubuntu, it will ask to create a user and password. So you can create a user with your name or whatever. In my case it is not, I think I opened earlier, so it default user it's created root, right? Okay, no issue. So everything is done here. Now update the Ubuntu sudo apt-get. Okay, I have a document to step by step installation of WSL. So I will share this document in the comment section, so you can directly run this step by step. Let me quickly install WSL. Okay, alright. So I have already updated the first command. Second one, let me do this one. Let me copy this one and hit enter. Okay, the second command is you need to add this user in the Docker group. Okay, I think it is not copied. Alright, it's done. We need to change the user permission, so you can copy this one and we need to mention here our username. So in my case the username is root, so I will mention root. If you have created with different name, in here it will show here, so you can copy here your name in the here, right? In my case it is root, so I have entered the root. Now run the fifth command. It will add the docker image. Okay, run it. It's done. 6 command. It will ask to press enter. You need to press enter here. Okay, 7 number command. It's also done. Okay, now you can run the autoremove command. Auto run. Okay, now install finally Docker. Okay, let's install Docker. Final command to switch the Docker profile. It is installing Docker. So why this one use? Because the Docker desktop is the license version, so we can use Docker over WSL, which is free. Okay, no issue. Few more minutes. Almost done. Okay. Almost done. Yeah, it's done. Let me run the last command. It's done. Let me close this one. Okay, so it is install. How to use it? Let me show you. Search here. You have installed the Ubuntu, right? Open your Ubuntu, right? Okay, now how to check Docker is working or not? You can run docker ps. Yeah, you can also check by docker images. There is no images right now. We can create the images. Okay, so Docker install successfully in the WSL. You can directly search here WSL. So the WSL also install. You can directly open from here. Search here docker ps. Yeah, it's working. You can also open the command prompt and type here WSL. Okay, let's go to the WSL. You can check the docker hyphen hyphen version. Okay, all right. So it is done for docker through WSL installation. Hopefully it is useful to you. I will mention all the commands in the comment section or description. Sorry. All right. Thank you.